Your car's engine is the heart of your vehicle, and when it starts showing signs of trouble, it can be a terrifying experience. Engine failure can lead to catastrophic consequences, including accidents and costly repairs. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of the warning signs that your car engine might be on the brink of exploding. In this video, we'll delve into 5 terrifying signs that should prompt you to take immediate action to prevent disaster. Strange noises. One of the earliest indicators of engine trouble is unusual sounds emanating from under the hood. If you hear knocking, banging, hissing, or grinding noises while driving, it could signify serious issues within the engine. These noises might indicate problems such as worn-out bearings, a malfunctioning timing belt, or low oil levels, all of which can lead to engine failure if left unaddressed. Overheating. An overheating engine is a clear sign that something is amiss. If your temperature gauge shows that your engine is running hotter than normal, or if you notice steam coming from under the hood, pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Ignoring overheating can result in severe damage to the engine components, potentially leading to a catastrophic failure or even a fire. Loss of power. Experiencing a sudden loss of power while driving can be terrifying, especially if you're on a busy road or highway. This loss of power could be due to various reasons, including a failing fuel pump, a clogged fuel filter, or ignition system problems. Regardless of the cause, it's crucial to address this issue promptly to avoid further damage to the engine and ensure your safety on the road. Smoke or foul odors. If you notice smoke billowing from your exhaust pipe, or a foul odor permeating the cabin, it could indicate serious engine problems. Smoke could be a sign of burning oil, coolant leaks, or a malfunctioning catalytic converter, all of which require immediate attention. Ignoring these warning signs could lead to engine damage or even a dangerous fire. Dashboard warning lights. Modern cars are equipped with sophisticated onboard diagnostic systems that monitor various engine parameters. If you see warning lights such as the check engine light, oil pressure light, or temperature warning light illuminated on your dashboard, don't ignore them. These lights indicate potential issues with the engine that need to be addressed by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. If you notice any of these terrifying signs that your car engine is about to explode, don't hesitate to take action. Here's what you should do. Pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool down. Check the oil and coolant levels and top them up if necessary. If you're unable to diagnose the problem yourself, call for roadside assistance or have the vehicle towed to a trusted mechanic. Follow the mechanic's recommendations for repairs or maintenance to prevent future issues. Don't wait until it's too late. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on car maintenance and safety. Share this video with your friends and family to help them stay informed about the warning signs of engine failure. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive instant updates on our latest content. Stay safe on the road.